music keep on playing. Wow. Sometimes the things you need in life may be difficult. Not all the time it's gonna be easy. I saw it go, smoke the marijuana and get high. Stay above the wicked and fly. I'm feeling so very good about myself. Babylon ain't feeling good, damn. That's their problem. I smoke the marijuana and get high. Stay above the wicked and fly. And when I got problem at home domestically, and my girl she just wanna go with me, I smoke the marijuana and get high. Stay above the wicked and fly. Love is the order of the day, you better find it. I'm a big man, I put my problems behind me. I smoke the marijuana and get high. Stay above the wicked and fly. Cause I'm so confident in myself. There's nothing nor no one that could get to me. Not even the damn system. So listen properly. Right now I'm merry and cheery and living happily. If those Babylonians mess with us today, the music I play.